this is for my non-braiders if you cannot braid. This method is perfect for you. So I take the end of the hair, and I found that that was easiest to pull it through as opposed to trying to pull it through the middle. So that I use the end, and y'all see how easy it was to pull that through. So with me having the nails on, it was much easier. So literally, you see how it looks. You just take it, you add your shiner jam or whatever gel or jam you want to use, and you just begin twisting. And this method is so easy, and it is quicker than you think. And I just twist it down to however I want it to go. I tried to match them up. Some of them are a little uneven, but that's okay. And there we go. I just twisted it down, put the rubber band on, and then cut off the excess. Alright, y'all, so now we're getting into the last and final method, which is the third method. So I take some more shine jam, and I try to take a good amount to make sure I lay my hair down flat enough. And then I'm going to take a rubber band, and I'm going to take the hair and braid it on the rubber band. And y'all will see that in just a few. So I took the hair and I braided it on there. Now this was not as easy because of the nails, but usually without the nails I get a really good grip. So y'all see me struggling right there. Y'all see me struggling? Yes. Definitely struggling. So I ended up having to redo this one, but you literally just braid it on there. And you want to go for probably like 3 seconds. You don't want it to look really obvious that you got a braid. And then once you get it to where you want it to be, you just go ahead and twist it. And make sure that you add the shine jam as you go to conceal the hair. But like I said again, to conceal your natural hair. But like I will say again, pick a hair that doesn't have as much shine. This Freetress Water wave has so much shine to it, and it does not go well with 4C hair like mine. And also I use the color T1B30, so the 1B doesn't really go with my hair as well. I'm a color number 2, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.